Hi everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily edit a digital invitation template in Canva and how to export it as an MP4 file for sharing on WhatsApp, Messenger, and other platforms. I'll also guide you on adding animations, music, and how to get your file onto your phone. This template includes 3 slides: the invitation, event details, and the menu. There's also a bonus thank you message that you can send after the event. Let's start by editing the invitation. All elements are fully editable. You can change the text, adjust the colors, resize or move images, and even swap out pictures. Just click on any element to change it. For example, I can edit the text here by simply typing in the details I want, and if I want to change the image, I just click Upload and choose my photo. This template already has built-in animations, but if you'd like, you can easily change or customize these animations. Here I'm selecting the text, and then I go to Animate. You can choose from a variety of animation styles, such as fade or pop. It's that simple. To add some extra flair, let's add music. Canva lets you upload your own music or choose from their library. Simply go to the Audio tab on the left and select a track. You can adjust the length of the music to match the slides and make sure it fades out smoothly. Once you've finished editing your template, you can also adjust the transitions between the slides. This adds a professional touch to your design. Simply hover your mouse between 2 slides and the Add Transition icon will appear. Click on it to choose from various transition effects and customize them to your liking. Once you're happy with your design, it's time to export it. Go to Download, select MP4 format, and under Pages, choose the slides you want. For the invitation, choose slides 1 to 3, and for the thank you message, you'll export slide 4 separately. Now let's talk about getting the file onto your phone so you can easily share it. There are several ways to do this. You can email the file to yourself and download it on your phone, transfer it via Bluetooth or AirDrop, or use the Send to Phone feature. With this option, you'll receive an email with a download link, or Canva will generate a QR code that you can scan with your phone to get the file directly. Once the file is on your phone, you're ready to share your digital invitation with friends and family via WhatsApp or any other messaging app. Another way to share your invitation is by creating a public view link. This is perfect if you want to share the invitation via a link instead of sending an MP4 file. Simply go to the Share button, choose Public View Link, click on Create Public View Link, and Canva will generate the link. You can then send this link to your friends or family, and they'll be able to view the invitation online. And that's it. You've now created a fully customized, animated digital invitation with Canva. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Canva tips and tricks. And if you're interested in checking out my templates, the link to my shop is in the description below. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.